Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And if you're not new here, hey old friend, lovely to see you back. And in today's video, we are getting into all things health like we normally do on this channel. And I am presenting to you all things Moringa living bitters. What is that stuff, right? Well, I'm gonna get into the tea of exactly what Moringa is and why you could use it in your regimen. But of course, before all that, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first and foremost, what is Moringa living bitters? So one, you have Moringa that isn't the bitters part of it. You can get like Moringa in the form of powder, in a pill, etc., etc. Now, the Moringa living bitters that I'm talking about comes in a liquid form. So Moringa is essentially like, you could consider it like a detox in a sense. It helps with so much. It's so good for the body. It helps with diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, constipation, menstrual cycle, inflammation, anemia. Like the list literally goes on when it comes to Moringa, and that is why I had to put y'all on here today in this video, because I have been using Moringa Live Bitters for a couple of months and it has been doing wonders for my body. So today I have a bottle here that I purchased, and this is pretty much what it looks like. There are many different forms of this. Hopefully, again, okay, I was like getting played by Zoom. So yeah, so it's Moringa Living Bitters. It says for detox, energy. They called it a beverage. They really tried it. This is not a thing that you're just like pouring into a glass and enjoying. This is not that at all. And I'm going to explain why. So this one says that it's all natural, organic. There's no chemicals, no color. It's like the purest form of Moringa that you could get. They also added things like cinnamon, curry leaves, jasmine, gooseberry, ginger, turnip, fennel. I mean, the list goes on as to how many other herbs are in here. It is like, this stuff is so powerful. When I heard about it, I was like, oh, I want to have a better menstrual cycle, essentially, right? You know, sometimes a lot of us women, we deal with bad cycles and low energy just in general, even aside from the cycle. And that's what turned me even to look at this stuff. So this bottle right here is a 16-ounce bottle. I will have it linked down below because right now I can't remember like the price of it. You can purchase it from any African stores. You can get it off Amazon. Just be careful when you do order off Amazon. Make sure when it comes, it's not expired or anything like that. You don't want this stuff to be expired. You want the cleanest form of this stuff you could possibly get. So you guys always know that I'm gonna talk about the taste of stuff. And when I opened this and smelled it, I literally thought death was upon me. I thought this had to be what death smelled like, essentially, for me, because I was like, there's no way that people are drinking this stuff straight, and they are. So yeah, this stuff is very strong. It is very potent, very strong, disgusting. Like, I tell you guys all the time when something is nasty, but this is like disgusting. So if you can't handle putting something like this into your system, I just don't even do it. I just wouldn't even recommend. Now for me, I am a strong believer in like, if it helps my body, if it helps my system, I'm going to just suck it up and take it in. This has a very bitter, it's literally bitter. I'm trying to like compare it to what it might taste like, but I don't know. Death is all I can like think about. But you know, the benefits, even in something as powerfully gross as this kind of taste, the benefits outweigh that for me. I take 1 tablespoon of this every single day. So I suck it up every single day. I'm like, I have to say a little prayer because I'm like, okay, I can do this. I'll have juice next to me. I'll even take it with water. A lemon really helps for the taste after, has a bad aftertaste. But again, the effects, girl, I would not come on here and tell you guys to purchase this stuff if I didn't believe that the effects of this were just like very healing. The best thing is to just like down it, take it straight, say your prayers. You're going to live to see another day and you're going to feel energized. You're gonna start to feel detoxified. You're gonna like flush this stuff out of your system. Overall, your body is just going to feel, I don't even know, different. I can speak even on like the menstrual cycle part of it. It's like I start it now, and like there are times when I don't even know that it's happening. And that's never how it was for me before. So I strongly, live by this. I will never not have this, in my house. Now, as far as being able to take it every single day for the rest of my life, not too sure. Not because I don't believe in it. It's just like the taste is that harsh. I want to keep taking it for as long as I can. If I'm being honest with you guys, I have ran through several bottles of these already. Make sure you shake it well, make sure you keep it in the refrigerator, make sure you don't go past whatever expiration dates. Of course, do your own research. I just wanted to present this to you guys because I've been using it for months and the results are like insane. Yay, I hope that you guys really love this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you try this, have it, whatever it is, let me know. If you have any questions, leave them for me down below. I'll try my best to answer them. And yeah, please continue to like, comment, subscribe. And until my next one, I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.